Hello, welcome back to the Blockade Variety channel. So, this is going to be a tutorial on how to use YouTube Studio if you're a creator. This is mostly for my friends, Olivia, mostly talking to you. Yeah, so we're going to go here into the details of this video. So, you always want to click no, this is not made for kids, unless the video is made for kids. You can also upload a thumbnail. I've done that with a few of my videos. I don't need that. So, for the description, I have these YouTube links that I use. So like just copy, Control-C, Control-V, paste. Yeah, and then I have these from when I did Miles' channel. Yeah, and then you can also hit more options. And you always want to hit allow all comments, because sometimes, I don't know why, but YouTube just turns off the comments. Like for most of Miles' videos, he has to manually go in. Mine, it just allows all comments, always. You can choose your category. You probably should. Yeah. And when you're done, you always want to save the changes. Gotta hate that thumbnail. Then if you go back here, you can hit end screen. See, I recorded this video earlier, but it didn't, I didn't have audio for it, unfortunately, so I have to record it now, but I already did all of this. You can like add an end screen, video playlist, subscribe, channel. I guess if you do that, you can add a link. But yeah, I didn't do anything. You can also, cards are like, you know, in the right hand corner right up here.
Hey, this is the test video.
Like sometimes a card will pop up. That is this. So add card, channel. See, like I can go, and I can go to, come on. I can go to, let's just say, Miles' channel. I can take the link, Control-C, Control-V, and create. I mean, no one's gonna see this, so. Create card. And see now, when I play this.
Hey, this is the test video for the video that I'm making.
End card.
It has to be 25 seconds long.
I literally just
figured that out like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah. So yeah, that's nice.